Welcome everyone to our next SAP Withholding Tax Configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will define exchange rate type for withholding tax type. So in this activity, you define the exchange rate type for individual withholding tax types that is to be used for calculating withholding tax. So let's assign the exchange rate type to withholding tax type. Go to transaction code SIMG, then press enter. Go to financial accounting, then financial accounting global settings, withholding tax, extended withholding tax, then go to calculation, then withholding tax type here, and here click on exchange rate type for withholding tax type. Enter your country or region key, then click on apply here. So here you can see like 1T I have created, so I'll assign the exchange rate type. I have created one exchange rate type 707 for 75 for my company code. So this is for payment. I'll assign to the invoice one also. So here is the invoice key. I think it's a T1. Yeah, here it is. So I'll assign here the withholding exchange rate type. Press enter. Click on save here. Continue. Now you can see your exchange rate type is assigned to your withholding tax type. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.